One of the most important parts of a vehicle inspection that we like to do, especially coming into the warmer months in summer, is test the air conditioning. So how I do it, take my thermometer, I go over to the vents of the car, I just find a vent, put my thermometer in there, just reads like that, fire the car up and let it cool down. Make sure the air conditioning's on full blast. And we'll let that run for about 20 seconds and we'll watch the thermometer. You can already see thermometer's going down. Today right now is about 70 degrees outside, not too warm. We're already seeing the thermometer is already getting below 50 degrees. So this air conditioning system is working great. I'm also listening to the AC compressor, which is up front. This guy right here, we're making sure that it's cycling correctly, meaning it's not always spinning. If it's always spinning, that can mean that the pressures are low and the system is not able to build adequate pressure. The AC compressor should turn on and off regularly. And right now we're seeing that. We're also checking the cooling fans on the front, making sure those are turning. You can definitely hear them and feel the air blowing. So if I had a concern with the air conditioning not working, I'd hook up our AC machine and we would recover the refrigerant if there was any. That would tell us if the AC is not working because of a low refrigerant issue, which could be from the refrigerant leak, or if we have a deeper issue we need to dig into. Other than that, this system's working great. The air's very cold.